Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Spotify tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change a Spotify playlist picture. This is actually quite simple and works in a similar way on both PC and smartphone. First I open Spotify and I want to change the picture for this playlist. On PC I can simply right-click the playlist and select Edit Details. However, since this doesn't work on the smartphone, we are going to use a method that works on all devices. So I first click into the playlist. And then I have the three dots here. Here too I have the menu item Edit Details, and in addition to the name and the description I can also change the playlist picture. I just have to click on it. Now I can select the picture on my device. Once I have added a new picture I click on Save and I have already changed the picture of my playlist in Spotify. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.